Hello skincare lovers, it's time to let you in on my skincare secret. I discovered a revolutionary product and it has completely transformed my skin. Get ready to unbox the NuEssentials Face Mask Kit, India's first Nano Collagen melting mask. Their product is super unique and the best part, no need to peel it. It disappears just like magic. This box includes a tester, 5 pouches with melting nano mask, collagen mist, cotton pad and the glow serum. Let's start with the tester. We have included this to ensure you get a hang of the product before you start applying it to your face. You can use the tester on your arm before going into the main product. Since I already know how to use the product, I am going to start putting the mask on my face directly. The kit comes in 3 variants: glow, nourishing and hydrating, and anti-aging. But the application of all the variants is the same. I am going to be using the glow kit today. We have 5 pouches of the Holy Grail product. Each of these pouches contain 2 under eye patches, 1 forehead patch, 1 nose patch and 2 cheek patches. Before applying the mask, there is a step you cannot miss. You have to spray 4 to 5 pumps of the collagen mist on your entire face. Then go in with a cotton pad to wipe off the extra moisture from your face. Be very careful. Your face should not be completely dry or extremely wet before mask application. If it's completely dry, the mask won't stick, and if it's extremely wet, the mask will get activated beforehand. Now your face is damp and ready for the magic product. Please handle the mask with care when removing it from the pouch so it doesn't break or disintegrate. Ensure your hands are dry when handling the mask. If you have a small face, then just the cheek and forehead patches are enough to cover your face. You can save the under eye patches for later. There are 3 layers. Peel off the brown outer layer. Apply the mask gently to the designated areas. After the entire face mask has been evenly applied, wait for a few minutes. Spray the collagen mist evenly to activate the mask and watch the mask dissolve into your skin like magic. Wait for around 15 minutes before locking in the glow with our serum. One last step to seal in the moisture and you are glowing and hydrated. Post this, you can go on to apply makeup to your freshly hydrated face or proceed your nighttime skincare routine and sleep peacefully. For best results, use the serum and mist every day and the mask once a week. If you want to know more, please watch our next video on the recommendations when using the NuEssentials Face Mask Kit. We have 3 different variants: glow, nourishing and hydrating, and anti-aging. Use whichever is best suited to your need and you will never regret it.